Okay, now I'd like to discuss a D major 7 shape. So everybody knows that a D major 7 is played with one finger, and it's really up to you which finger you're going to use. It's got to be the best finger for where you're going to after the D major 7. Okay, enough on that. So it's a one finger chord, but it can also be used as sort of a bar chord. So for this case, normally, let's say you play it like this, D major 7. Slide this finger up and put your pointer finger on the first fret of the D string and pluck 4 notes. Again, you could move it all the way up the neck till your fingers don't fit anymore. Okay, one more time. So you start off, this is a normal D major 7, but what we're going to do is going to use your ring finger, play the chord. You're going to cover 3 strings, move it up 1 fret, and lay your pointer finger down on the first fret of the D string and pluck from the D string down. When I say down, I mean downward. And if you move this up, you get a whole bunch of other chords. Now, the chord name is determined by where the pointer finger sits on the D string. So this would be either a D sharp major 7 or an E flat major 7, because E is over here. So if you move it down, it becomes either E flat major 7 or D sharp major 7. So again, the chord name is determined by where the pointer finger sits. Hope this helps you.